The vision for the CBESS project is to deliver one of Australia's largest battery energy storage systems by the end of 2025.
The solution provides a key link between the battery energy storage system and the grid, helping Synergy to deliver renewable energy to Western Australia when it needs it the most.
The Collie project is the third battery project being delivered by Synergy in recent time. It has 640 batteries, 160 inverters, with a capacity of 500 megawatts and 2,000 megawatt hours.
The ask from Synergy was to provide a robust, reliable and proven solution with full integration of the system. The technology used in the Collie project is our Unigear ZS 3.2. It's equipped with a state-of-the-art, fully withdrawable vacuum circuit breaker with capability of remote operation. This makes the solution safer and easier to maintain.
On the CBESS project, we contracted ABB to build the largest switch rooms, which were 37.5 meters long and 125 tons, that had to be transported from Adelaide to Collie.
Delivering the rooms itself was a challenge. We had to ship over 3,200 kilometers, needing police escorts in some parts of the journey.
It was a tough transportation schedule, which ABB delivered successfully. ABB won a competitive tender to provide both the switchgear and the fabrication of the switch rooms, which were done in Adelaide.
The project was critical for both parties. We set up a steering committee from the outset. A project such as this, with scale, complexity and critical time frames, challenges are always going to arise.
We overcame this by having strong connection between ABB seniors and Synergy project management team. This enabled us to have the fast decision making.
Having the mechanism and relationship there to deal with things effectively was vital. The collaboration between ABB and Synergy helped deliver the project on time.